We are in a beautiful scenic location. This is my daughter Adviti. Hi Adviti.
Hi.
And this is our camping setup, a camping chair, and this is a tripod, and these are two stools, collapsible ones. This is our cooking setup. This is our camera gear and GoPro. This is our tents, and this is our Jeep. This is 2 months old Labrador puppy. Name is Simba. Simba. Yes. So I'll give you a walk around my Jeep. So this is a 2015 Thar CRDE 4x4 AC, and I bought it in Belgaum from the Mahindra showroom. These are the aftermarket wheels by HRS. These are the stock tires, Bridgestone ones, and they are very good. As you can see, external roll cage and LED lights, 4 in the front and 2 more rounded ones in front. Some stickering, rock sliders. This is the external roll cage as well as the ladder to access the top. The top has been made multi-purpose. One is for strength during landslides and other things, and the second is that you can mount the tent, 2 people tent over here, over the top. There is a aluminum plate which comes over it, and you can mount it because most of the times in the wild where we go, usually the place is wet, the land is wet, and you cannot pitch a tent over here, and there are security reasons when you are on the ground. So you can exactly accommodate that tent above the Jeep, which is safer to stay anywhere. So this is the hardtop which we have made. It is a metal hardtop, as you can see. It's a metal hardtop which is made from Bolero XL parts. Okay, so as you know, the Thar comes with the soft top, used to come with a soft top. The newer Thar is coming with the hard top, which is great. And what we did was we converted it to a metal hard top. We also made some modifications. This metal hard top costs around 60,000 rupees, with including the back glass and other things. There are some glitches and the fit and finish is not very good, but it serves the purpose. And I wanted the shape of the hard top to be exactly the way the soft top was, because when we are sitting front faced, as you can see inside, we have installed the Innova third row seats facing front instead of the bench seats which are there regularly. So what it does is it gives less headroom if we reduce the hard top height. So there is no problem with the headroom now. 2 LED lights, camping lights, which we have installed in the back. Some stickers, Jeep stickers. There is sun glare, I guess. This is a 5-year-old Jeep. This is the other side. That's the Mahindra Get Lost badging. Some Discovery Expedition stickering. So this is from the outside. As you can see, my daughter is climbing now. Okay, so from the inside, I think the music system is the one which we have installed. This is the aftermarket music system with some LED lights, and it has got all the CD players and other things, auxiliary cables. The sound boxes have been fit here and in the rear. As you can see, these are the Innova front facing seats, very spacious, and compared to the bench seats are very comfortable, extremely comfortable seats. We are yet to do the top inner lining of resin. It is yet to be done, but we are comfortable with this. All other things are stock. The rear door, this is the rear original door, and we have built the other things with the Bolero one, and this is the way we open it. And here the kitchen set will come, the foldable kitchen set, where we can keep our kitchen utensils, and during camping it will be great. So the way we exit and enter this thing, if you want more storage space, what we do is just pull these levers and flatten the seats like this. So as you can see, we have flattened the seats. We pull both these levers and lift them up. So this is how it opens up. You can even remove this thing, and the whole area is, you can lock this up there, and the whole area is open. If you don't want, if there are only 2 passengers, you can do that. Okay, and this will lock inside here, and we can open back the seats. So this part is yet to be done, and I'll be doing this very soon. And so this is my Jeep, 20,000 kilometers in 5 years, exclusively for camping and traveling. We have other cars. So this is it. So far I have not experienced any problems with the Jeep. It is very well built, serves its purpose, and it's very comfortable. Cruises at 130, 140 maybe, and my kids love it, and we are having a good time here. So that's it for today's video, today's episode. Hope you liked it. Please stay tuned for our next episode of camping, jeep and outdoor videos. Please share, subscribe and support our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.